Today's topic is about why factory heat spikes after 2 p.m. and how to control it. Let's understand. Many factories observe this. At 11 a.m., the shop floor feels manageable. At 2 to 3 p.m., with almost the same temperature, workers feel significantly more uncomfortable. This is not a perception issue, this is thermal accumulation in action. Core problem. Why heat spikes? After 2 p.m., there are 3 key engineering reasons. 1. Heat accumulation inside the factory. 2. Roof radiation effect. 3. Poor heat extraction. Let's understand one by one. 1. Heat accumulation inside the factory. Throughout the day, heat continuously enters and builds up from machines and processes, lighting systems, human activity. By afternoon, the factory reaches a heat saturation point where heat generation exceeds heat removal. 2. Roof radiation effect. The roof absorbs solar radiation from morning onward. By 2 p.m., the roof reaches peak thermal loading and starts radiating heat downward into the shop floor. This is not just air temperature, it is radiant heat transfer, directly impacting the human body. Workers feel hotter because their bodies absorb this radiation. 3. Poor heat extraction. Most factories have constant speed or under-designed ventilation systems. As heat load increases during the day, extraction remains constant, heat removal becomes insufficient. This creates heat trapping, especially near the roof, which gradually impacts the working zone. Why discomfort increases? Thermal comfort is not only about air temperature alone. It depends on air velocity, radiant heat from surfaces, humidity, heat accumulation over time. By afternoon, radiant heat increases. The air becomes more stagnant. The accumulated heat reduces cooling efficiency. Result: higher perceived temperature without a major change in actual temperature. How to control it? 1. Timed exhaust boost. Instead of constant ventilation, use time-based or temperature-based control. Increase exhaust capacity post 12 p.m. Remove accumulated heat before peak hours. This prevents heat from reaching saturation levels. 2. Heat release strategy. Factories need a structured approach to release trapped heat. High-capacity ventilation exhaust fans, cross-ventilation planning for airflow movement, roof extractors to remove rising hot air. The goal is to ensure heat generated equals heat removed. 3. Supporting air movement. Use circulation systems like HVLS fans, wall air circulators to break stagnant zones and improve convective cooling on workers. It's important to remember that afternoon heat is not sudden. It is the result of continuous heat buildup, peak roof radiation, and inadequate extraction. Control these 3 and you control the discomfort. If this perspective helps you think differently about your factory, then hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share with your team. 5-star technologies, creating productive and efficient shop floors.